The stock spiked from 9 cents all the way to $2.53.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, March 17th, and in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play,
Please hammer like.
let me delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rallied 1.65% to settle at 41,488. The Dow. Nasdaq spiked 2.66% to settle at 17,754. The Nas. Apple closed up 1.8% at 213.49. Big winner on the day was RDUS. RDUS spiked a whopping 103% to settle at $27.81. The higher day was 28.50, brand new 52-week high. The volume turned up 8 million. RDUS. Company came out with M&A news, and on that, the stock took off. RDUS spiked 102% on the week to settle at $27.81. The stock is up 46% on the one-year chart. This one's in the steel manufacturer space, and their headquarters out of Oregon. Day's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out, grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. SES is up 31% thus far in the pre, currently trading at 57 cents at the recording of this video. Higher day thus far, 63 cents. This one retracts below 41 cents. This might be a no-go today. There's no news out in particular. STSS has spikeability. For example, January 23rd, the stock went from 81 cents all the way to $1.50 on a volume of 229 million shares exchanged hands on that day. In conjunction to that, December 23rd through January 6th, the stock spiked from 39 cents all the way to $2.53. Their 52-week high, 253. This one's in the auto parts sector, and their headquarters out of Massachusetts. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 160 million. They have 274 million in the float. 17% of the float are held by insiders. 32% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 9% of the float. Shorts. SES. They have 2 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 0.01. Their gross profit is a positive 1.3 million, 1.3 mil in gross profit. Their 200-day moving average, 90 cents. They have a total cash of 263 million and a total debt of 10 million. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Their current ratio is sitting precisely at 12.14. SES. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.
You can't just be coming in here any time of the night and think you're just gonna get away with it. I ain't the one.
Say, man, Katrina will never be tripping like that.
Katrina? How dare you? I said she don't never be tripping like that, man. I'm sick of you. How dare you?
I'm a man.
How dare you?
Run me.
How dare you bring that name up? You say you just be liking this stuff on Instagram. You say ain't nothing what's going on.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Dave's Sunday Stock List. Get your pen and your paper ready. Make sure you watch this one till the end. Today is Sunday, January 24th. In today's video, I have 3 plays for you to put on your stock list. The purpose of the stock list is for you to find an opportunity to pounce. You're going to track the movement of the stock. You're going to write where the stock opened. You're going to write it down, because when you write things down, it permeates through your brain. Where the stock, the high of the day of the stock, the low of the day. and where the stock closed. Also, you want to write down the volume of the day. Also, put it on your trading account for movements above 5. CRVO is up 197% at $6.44. The stock is down 62% on the 1-year chart. Please put a stock on this one. CRVO. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Massachusetts. This one's heading back to $10. Please look for a buying opportunity this week. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 53 million. Their price per book, 1.17. They have a total revenue of 10 million. 10 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 1.35. This is CRVO. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 27% year over year. Let me say that one more time. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 27% year over year. They have a total cash of 47 million in hand and a total debt of zero debt. Their current ratio is sitting at a healthy 15.03, way above par. CRVO spiked a whopping and epic 162%, settled the day at $6.17. Higher day was $6.84. Volume came in at 154 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to the average volume of 1 million. I alerted this one in YouTube community post. Please pay attention to the post. Gain split. Let's continue. And that number one highest percentage gainer in the stock market last week was RGC. RGC spiked 216% on the week. Currently trading at approximately $12.62. This one is up 125% on the 1-year chart. RGC. This one's in the healthcare space and their headquarters out of Hong Kong. RGC has spikeability. For example, on July 23rd, the stock went from $3.03 all the way to $32.44 on a volume of 1.3 million. Please put a stock in this stock this coming week. Conjunction to that, few days ago, March 13th, stock went from $3.99 all the way to $32.44 on a volume of 1.3 million. Please put a stock in this stock this coming week. Conjunction to that, few days ago, March 13th, stock went from $3.99 all the way to $14.85 on a volume of a whopping 23 million. There is some insider buying on this one. And there's only one reason why an insider would buy, and it's because the stock is going up. Stock is undervalued and it's going up. Insider could sell for whatever reason. Divorce, they want to buy a new yacht, buy a new mansion. But there's only one reason for an insider to buy. RGC, put a stock on this one. Let's continue. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 164 million. They have a total cash of $8 million in hand and a low debt of $85K. Their total cash per share, 0.61. The current ratio is sitting at a healthy